Hello and welcome. How are you doing today? Today I am planning to show you that what to do if your cars, like this Toyota's, this side light has went broken, and there is now issue that this plastic support bar has been damaged and one part is now missing. Okay. I will tell you that then we need to do plastic welding, and this plastic welding is very nice, and I will show that how this happened. First step is that we need to take this part a little bit away, and now because this opens so easily, I rotate a little bit this switch, and there is this side bulb. And here is this my light, and next I need to create here some new part, and I go to take some plastic, and then I take also my gas torch, this gas flame, that we can weld this. Okay, and soon we continue. Okay, and then I am planning to do this welding, and for this welding job we need plastic, and I have any plastic is suitable for that job, and next I will show two plastics what we can use, and I take those plastic in here. Okay, and for example, that kind of plastic is suitable if we have plastic, this can. And firstly we need to take this cap away, and we need this some cutting tool, and next I go to take my cutting tool, and it is actually, I have that kind of cutting tools. In here I have this kind of cutting tools, and I start to cut this so that I start in here, and I clip a little bit part this plastic, I cut this plastic a little bit, and in here I cut a small part in here, and then I come back. Okay, and now I have in here small pieces of this plastic, and next I am planning to weld that part in here, and how it happened we continue soon. Okay, and next I have here this gas torch, and I will insert this fire. Now there is fire, and next I start to weld in here this plastic, and it happens so that in one side in here I insert that my part in here, and I little bit heat up that, and then I use my hands in, and now this plastic is in here, and then I move that in again. And this plastic is really easy to move because this is like soft, and then again a little bit heat, and even that there is small fires, you need only good clothes, and I am planning to do in here, and then a little bit more plastic. I heat up this plastic, and I move that in here, and this is almost finished. Final step, and little bit move, and now this is very flexible, this plastic, but when this becomes cold, then this is like very heavy. Okay, and here is my fix, and I use my hands in here, that I make this movable, and when this becomes normal temperature, then this plastic is again very durable. And here, this is drawing that part. Okay. Now I think that this is okay. I'm happy, and I can little bit now move this sharp corner in here, that I heat up in little bit, and when there is fire I can use my hands, and it is in here, and then I think that part I have to shape a little bit that area, and now when it is soft, only a little bit my hand, and this is not now quite okay. There is comment that Toyota Kyoto, Japan, and I can say that good quality, because I can plastic weld this part. And now it's in there, good. It is in there, and I think that this is fine, and then I leave this in to rest something like 10 minutes, and then I will show that. Be carefully, because here is this plane, and this plane can do if you insert that in your fingers what are plastic, but then these gloves are in fire. But if that happens, then it's easy to take your hand in here and this fire is off. And please work in outside, because this plastic vapors are dangerous. Okay, and then I shut down this gas torch, and next step is that when we have this side light, I need to drill in here a small hole, because there was screw, and next I go to take my drill, and we continue. Okay, and then I have a bit box of these spiral drills what are in here, and it's very useful. Then I rotate that. I take first small drill what is in here. Here a small drill, and then I take my battery, this battery drill, and I open that old, and I insert this drill in there, and now it's in there, and this is easy to change rotation in that button. And then I do here, I need to do in here this hole, and I remember that this whole place was something like in here, and then I do so that I insert this in carefully in here, and then I show that what I am doing. There is this part, and then I drill small. Okay, and now there is small hole. Okay, now there is small hole, and this is very durable, no any softness. And then we go to check that is this hole enough big or do we need to drill bigger hole, and we go to this in car. We look at car area next. Okay, and now we are in this side light area, and there is this screw in there. What I must handle, and I move that little bit. They can see this screw, and it is in here. And then I have here screwdriver. What bits in there, and I open that bolt screw, and there is that kind of screw. I insert that in here. There is this part. Okay, and then I insert this. There is this my light where I made this fix. And then I check that how this works when I insert first this light in there, and then I insert that in here. Or actually it goes first in here or in here, and okay, now it's in there very nicely, and then there is this my hole, and it seems to be enough good. And when we check in that area, there is important that those two holes are possible to go in through, that we can insert this screw in there. Now I check, now they are in same area. I will show how they looks, that you could also see that there is now they are in same there is same hole, and now there is this place, and I keep my hands in here, and there is this hole, and I insert that screw in that hole. Okay, now it's in there, and then my screwdriver, it goes in here, and then I rotate that and a little bit move. Okay, excellent, and it is sticked, and I'm very happy, because now these parts are in there, and this side light, it is very thick and in here, and this fix is now over, and we can continue. And thank you for watching, and we continue.